Stop wasting time optimizing texture in Unity. If you are still clicking every single asset in your inspector one by one, you are doing it wrong. In game dev, performance is king, especially on Android and iOS. But keeping track of every normal map and light map in a complex scene is a nightmare. That's why I built this custom texture optimizer tool using Unity editor scripting. With one click, it scans my entire active scene and categorizes every texture from regular maps to baked light maps. I can switch between platforms, apply ASTC compression presets, and resize everything at once. It even has a built-in backup system, so if I push the compression too hard, I can revert it to original settings instantly. Tools like this don't just save your time, they make your workflow professional. This is just the tip of the iceberg for what editor scripting can do. I'm dropping a full deep dive guide on how to build your own custom Unity tools very soon. Follow along so you don't miss it.